everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an omelette really quick, really easy, the perfect decision to have for brunch. It means you can do it cheaply and you don't have to go out. The cleanup is really easy and you don't have to spend lots of money even if you have guests over. So why not invite people over to your house and cook them all brunch instead of spending a fortune out at a restaurant? So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is make up my eggs in a bowl. This is going to go really quickly. I have 2 eggs, so I usually serve 2 eggs per person. One. Now that we've got that done, I am going to add to this about 1.5 tablespoons of milk. Now that can be skim or full cream milk, whichever is your preference. The last thing that I'm going to do is mix them with a fork just to incorporate them. So I'm going to break my yolks. We've got that done. We're going to move over to the stove. Here we have my pan and I've got about 2 teaspoons of butter in there. Now you can use butter or margarine, whichever suits you best. And I've just got it over a medium-high heat. You don't want it to be too hot. What you're going to want to do is let the butter melt, and once the butter is frothing, I'll come back and we'll get on with making the omelette. Alright, so the butter is nice and foamy now, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and add my eggs. And now what we're going to do is we're going to look for a layer to form at the bottom of our pan. So when we find that, all we're going to do is scrape the cooked bits from the side and move them into the center. So this will give us a really nice fluffy omelette, and it'll be just perfect and fluffy and delicious. And you just want to keep doing that until all of your uncooked egg is cooked. You just want to just keep gently forcing it and tilting your pan. And this will give you unbelievably soft, fluffy omelette. You don't want your flame on too high, otherwise it'll cook too quickly and you won't have time to bring it to the center. But essentially what you're trying to do is force all the uncooked eggs to the side where it will cook faster than what it is in the middle. Eventually what's going to happen is you won't be able to get any more of the egg through to the sides, so you just want to let it cook until it sets. At this point, if you want to, you can put a cover on to let it set more quickly. I'm just going to let it develop a nice golden crust at the bottom, and then I'm going to add the toppings that I would like to add. At this point, you can go ahead and just put salt and pepper on there and serve this the way that it is. I'm going to add some fillings in. First of all, I'm going to get a little sprinkling of salt. And then what I'm going to add is, here I have a bowl of mozzarella and feta cheese. And then I've also got some spinach. And the last thing I have left to do is just give it a flip. Ooh. Just going to leave this for a few seconds for the cheese inside to melt, and once that is done, I'm going to serve it up. Alright, so here I have a delicious spinach, feta and mozzarella omelette that I made in under 5 minutes with all ingredients that I had in the fridge. So it's really versatile depending on the ingredients that you have on hand. You can throw in cheese, ham and tomato, or anything else that you like. I've also served it up with a little bit of beetroot chutney because I love putting that with my omelettes. But it's up to you. You can just sprinkle on a little bit of salt and pepper and you're good. This omelette is delicious. I hope you tried it. I hope you make this. If you like my channel, please consider subscribing and leave a like and a comment. And I'll see you all next time on the next episode of Do It Frugal. Bye!